welcome back to the Cat Show. Now, I'm actually happy to say, today we are going to have a more, popular cat. Oh, wait. Okay, we're not having a popular cat. Today we are having submissions from fan cats who love the show just like every other cat. Anyways, the first cat we're going to have today is named, Peter the cat. You don't have to have cat at the end of your name, Peter.
Hello, my name is Peter the Hairless Cat, and I've got a few clips of my hairless friends to show you.
Oh, you're so ugly! Oh my god!
Well, you, I'm leaving.
Well, now that's dealt with, we can actually go to our next person, Jem. Okay, let's welcome Jem.
You totally need to see my video I got for you. You are gonna be like so excited.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Oh my god, what the hell is this? Dear God! Stop this madness! Oh God! Please stop this! Oh my God!
So, what do you think? It's amazing. Isn't it?
Oh, look! Do you want to see a video that is far better than your stuff?
If that could even happen.
Suit yourself.
Dear God, I'm out of here. That is really bad. Oh my God.
Riddance. We've had enough for today. Come back next time to hear some more things with, people who like us. So, come back for another episode of The Cat Show!